Hello, everybody. I am Robel, your FCA Business Development Manager, in charge of the following territories: Mid-Wilshire, Century City, and San Fernando Valley.
Hi, Robel. How's it going? How are
Everything's
you?
good, all is well. Happy day.
Okay. How long have you been in this industry?
How long have I been in the industry? So far, I am running on my second year.
Wow, that's a long time.
Yeah.
And how's it so far? How's it going? Like,
All is well. Very happy. I feel accomplished, and to be able to go out there and market FCA, help a lot of personal injury law firms out there and their clients.
okay, that's good. It's good to know. Today we're gonna discuss more about policy limits.
Yep.
Uh, so we're gonna ask you a couple of questions about policy limits and
Yeah.
the way around it, and then just give us your honest opinion, perhaps um, experiences from law firms that you've handled,
Yeah.
and then currently is handling. So yeah. So Rebel, my first question to you is, since we're in the topic of policy limit search, what is a policy limit settlement in the first place?
Policy limit settlement is essentially a cap on how much compensation you can actually receive from an at-fault party's insurance. So, say for example, you got into what we call MVA or motor vehicle accident or a car accident, and you've been having this mounting amount of bills, and maybe you had some lost wages or something, right? And it's something that something that you can claim on at least the maximum amount you can claim from the other party. For example, the limit of the policy limit is only 100,000, and then that's technically the cap or the 100,000 that you can maximum that you can claim on it, and anything in excess of that likely would be your expense. Basically, knowing policy limit settlement, like for instance, like in a personal injury law case or in a personal injury law firm, getting to know that limit could be either, you know, a minimum, a minimum policy, or maybe it could be a gold mine for actually building the case onwards. So that's basically very important in finding out policy limits from the very beginning of a particular case.
So Rebel, how do policy limits affect, let's say for example, my settlement? If I have an ongoing case or lawsuit, how did how does it affect the outcome of my settlement if I know the policy?
So how do policy limits